McManus. I'm the Talent Development Specialist here at Savannah River Nuclear Solution. And I tell you, Tyler reached out to me yesterday and said that a few of you are interested in some of our internship positions. And guess what? We're excited to have you. So this presentation is about you. If you have any questions, any concerns, please type it in the chat, raise your hand. Tyler or either Paige will alert me of your question and I will answer it. I've been with Savannah River Nuclear Solutions about 9 months. I absolutely love it there. This is hands down the best job I've ever had. Previous to coming to Savannah River Nuclear Solution, I've always been in training and development from dealing with ADP, as far as the human resource management side. And then I've also worked in an OPO, a tissue and organ procurement organization, which was a nonprofit where I taught a lot of employees training materials and procedures. So I am really excited to be with you all today. And since I don't know how many people we have 9 people, so we have time. Just want to take a brief moment for you all just to give a short introduction of yourself. I don't know if everyone has a microphone or not, but if you can, just briefly introduce yourself and what are your plans for the future. Here to learn a little bit about Savannah River Nuclear Solutions. I tell you, we do so many different things, so you'll be surprised, okay? Before I start going into the internship program, the reason why we need a lot of internships is because we're trying to just diversify and really go into the next dimension with innovation. And, we concentrate mostly on the safe transportation and storage of nuclear waste. So, and we do produce tritium there as well. So a lot of things that we do down there are very classified. So that's why getting on site, you will find out if you get an internship is not the easiest thing, because we do the background check. We do all of those wonderful things that you would do with the military, you would think. But it's a wonderful place to work. And we really need talented, young students like yourselves to come in and really give us those ideas and build our company up so that we can really be a force to be reckoned with. Now, a little bit about our internship program. It's open, as you see, to full-time students attending any 2-year technical or 4-year college university. Now, we do have 3 types of internships. We are currently in our summer internship program recruiting time. And that recruiting time actually began in November, and it was supposed to end in February, but our CEO, Stuart, he wanted to push it out until March. So our end date is March, drum roll, the 1st. So Monday is the deadline. So if you have or you see anything on our site that you would like to apply for, please go in there and do it ASAP. Okay, after Monday, those jobs will be cut off. They will not be available to you. Okay, I'm sorry about the short notice, but I don't even know what else to say. But yeah, it ends on Monday.
So better late than never, Anitra. Better late than never, right? We learned about it just in time.
I know. That's
open on Friday to come help. We'll come help you.
Yeah, that's why we want to make sure that we get this session in for you guys to let you know a little bit about the program and how you can go and apply for those positions. Now, we do have a winter internship that's going to be from November to January. So our recruiting time is going to start probably around September. So if you don't make this time and you want to do it during the winter months of November to January, hopefully by then COVID, fingers crossed, will be a thing of the past, and I can come to the campus and we can face to face, and I can really tell you about our positions. And then we also have year-round internships, and those are mostly offered to students that are local, and there's really no set time of when those are available because they are on business need. I knew it was one that was on there at one point in time, but I don't know if they've already pulled it or not. But every now and then when you go on our site under the students portal, you will see that we will have some year-round internships. Okay, any questions on that, guys? Okay. Now, the conditions. must be a U.S. citizen. I tell you, I can't begin to tell you how many people we've had to disqualify just for that one bullet alone. A lot of, great, talented candidates we've had to disqualify, but that's like for what we do and where we are, you have to be a U.S. citizen. Must be a full-time student with at least 12 credit hours scheduled or at an accredited 2-year or 4-year college, and you must have completed at least 1 year of college or tech school. Now that 1 year, it doesn't have to be consecutive. You could have gone to school, quit, stayed out for a little while, started back up. As long as you have a year completed, that will work. You must have at least a 2.5 GPA, and this is a must, you must upload your most recent unofficial transcript with your application. If it's not uploaded, we won't even look at it. So it's important that you make sure that you link that with it, and the system will prompt you to do that. So it's nothing that you can just overlook. It will tell you you must upload your transcript. You must complete, if you do receive an okay and an acceptance to be an intern for Savannah River Nuclear Solutions, you must complete our orientation process, our substance abuse, substance testing that we provide to employees, and you must also be able to pass the background check. So they do all of those things. And I know, you're like, I'm just going to be an intern, but for what we do down there, these things are a must. Safety down at Savannah River Nuclear Solutions is of the utmost importance down there. Okay. Any other questions on that, on the conditions? Okay. Now, the benefits, hands down, everyone knows that the benefits of having an internship at a job is to test drive the company, but one thing I can say about Savannah River Nuclear Site, well, I keep saying site because I'm at Savannah River Site. One thing about Savannah River Nuclear Solutions is you will get hands-on experience. There's no sitting in the background watching, taking notes, doing busy work. No. We're going to give you a project for you to work on, because our main goal is to make sure that you're going to bring some innovation, because believe it or not, we hire a lot of our interns, and a lot of them come back for consecutive internships. So it's important that you come down there and bring your innovations, your ideas, because we really need those in order to be that force that we want to be and continue to be relevant in this industry. We do offer a paid internship. All of our internships that you see on our site are paid. I can honestly say, I may be telling my age, but when I was in school, there were no internships that were paid. I just had to go and just do it. So this is a bonus. This is a bonus. Times have changed, and when to get the top tier talent, you have to change with the time. So yes, we do offer paid internships. One thing about Savannah River Nuclear Solutions is you're going to gain a lot of knowledge. We have our Savannah River National Laboratory, which is right next door. If you work there, or if you work in the engineering, like a lot of you are going to get a lot of hands-on experience, hands down. And that knowledge that you gain in the classroom, we want you to bring all of that and put it to work, because it's one thing to be in the classroom and learn the concepts and the terminology, but it's a whole nother animal when you actually have to do it. So it's really a good way for you to say, okay, I'm in engineering, and I think this is a good choice for me. And on the flip side, you may say, I'm in engineering and I think I need to change my major because this is just not for me. So it's a good way for you to test drive the company and also really make a decision on what it is that you really want to do. Also at Savannah River Nuclear Solutions in our internship program, we do also offer you some professional development opportunities as well. We're just not having you down there giving us your ideas and working, and we're really, using you to your benefit. We really concentrate on building you up as a professional. So we do offer developmental seminars. We want you to bring the resume that you currently have. We will work on that resume with you so that once you leave that internship assignment, your resume will be ready for you to submit it to any job that you would like. Absolutely. I don't know if a lot of you have heard of Strength Finders. We do a workshop on Strength Finders where we really hone in on your strengths that you currently have professionally, whether it's communication or whatever. And then we also, dwindle out a little bit of something that's not so much your strength. And we really work on that, really reinforce that. So you will leave out there really confident and ready to just really tackle the world, if you would like. Perfect your pitch. A lot of people are like, what is that? But I can tell you, after going on numerous interviews, I've learned one thing about it. It's all behavioral. And the one dreaded question, oh my goodness, the one dreaded question that I know for myself, I hate is, tell me a little bit about yourself. Oh my goodness, that's like the worst question, because you know about yourself, but you are the hardest person to describe yourself because you don't want to say too much. You want to say just enough. Or like, should I tell them I'm married? Should I not? Should I tell them I like dogs? Should I tell them I like cats? I don't know what to say, what is relevant. One thing about our internship program is we will help you perfect that pitch. And the reason why we will make sure that you have a pitch ready, that famous tell me about yourself, is because at the very end of your internship, we will have a executive reception, like a meet and greet. At that meet and greet, you will meet our CEO, our VPs, our top executives, and you will get the opportunity to perfect your pitch. And it's going to all be ad hoc. We're not going to say, okay, everyone, introduce yourselves. No, you're going to mingle and you're going to make that lasting impression. That is the idea and the concept behind perfecting your pitch. And I can't tell you how many times Rainer has told me that after an internship, Stuart has emailed him, who was that student that blah, blah, blah? Because you have to make that lasting impression. And the only way to do that is to perfect your pitch. So we have a lot of opportunities for you to grow professionally, as far as the technical side and professionally on the interpersonal side. Okay, so all the way around, you're going to get paid, you're going to have professional development, and you're going to get that technical development as well. Any questions so far on the benefits? No? All right, guys. All right, how are we going to apply? All right, I'm going to give you the website on the next page. So you would go to once you get on our website, right? This is exactly what it looks like. You're going to go up to careers and click on the careers tab. Once there, you're going to see opportunities for students. You're going to click there. Once there, you're going to click on the opportunities for students. Apply now. This is the most important page. This is where you will find all our opportunities. Now, a lot of you have said that you're engineers or, mechanical engineers, cyber. Don't put any of that in the search engine. Don't even put anything, just click search. Because if you click search, it's going to pull up everything. If you start dwindling it down, sometimes the computer can be funny and there's a job there, but for some reason it's not popping up. But if you just click search, every internship opportunity we have will become available to you and we show, okay? This year, we have over 200 internship opportunities available. And as Paige and Tyler have seen, and some of you have seen, just because you see a listing, like an engineering listing, it's just not for one person. We are trying to fill it up. So don't think, okay, they only just have this one engineering position. No. That engineering position can be for five people to fill it, 6 people to fill it, because we have so many opportunities available. And boy, would we love to fill it with you guys. So it's important that you go to the site, and the site is right here, the www.the-SavannahRiverNuclearSolutions.com. And if you don't feel like writing all that down, just go into your search engine and put SRNS, click enter, and it'll pop up, and then you just go to careers. It's the same process, but this will take you right to our career page. So some reminders, remember that we do have a deadline for applications Monday. That's going to be the cutoff time. If you see something you like on there, please, please, please apply for it. Upload your resume, your transcript, because that's very important. The one tip I would tell you about when you're applying for these positions, you will notice that this job description is very general. We don't expect you to know everything. So don't think, oh, I don't think I can get this internship. Don't think that. The whole point around an internship is we want to train you. So we're not asking for you to have 3 and 4 years of experience. As you saw on this slide, let me go back. Let's see. These are the only conditions we're looking for. If you have that GPA, you've been in school a year and you're doing 12 credit hours, bam, you're in there. Apply. It doesn't ask for, you must have 10 years of experience, you must be in this organization. No, this is all you need. So if you have these things, apply. I can't tell you any simpler than that. A lot of people discount themselves out before they even give themselves a chance. Please, if you have these qualifications, apply for those things. And I guarantee you it will pay off, because, for our CEO to push it out to another whole month, we need more people. So the jobs are there, the opportunities are there. You may get down there and love it and say, I want to make a career out of this. This will be your opportunity to get with the person, your sponsor that's doing your internship. So you know what? I really enjoyed this. I really learned a lot. I'm thinking that this is something I really want to do. Make that impression. Let them know I want to come back. But as an employee, you have that opportunity to do that. It's nothing stopping you from doing that. Now, our next internship cycle will begin in November the 21st. I hope to be on campus around September to really tell you about these opportunities so that you can be first in line to start filling out those applications, because I know once we have our internship cycles, every Tuesday we load new jobs. So it may not be something there that week, but if you check back the next week, it'll be something there for you, because we just add them as business needs. So please apply for these positions, because we need all of the help we can get down at Savannah River Nuclear Solutions. And it's not a bad place to work. I have to say that. And I'm not saying it because I work there. Okay. I'm not saying it because I'm paid by them. I'm saying that because I honestly love my job. I love it, love it, love it.
Well, Anita, I can tell.
It is
I can
open.
tell that you love your job.
I love